class, in 10th class from Mathman School. So in the English club today I have brought the top 10 news of the Times of India. So today's is the 1st October. So let's get started about the news. The High Court allows the CBI to register the charge sheet in the Dr. Sudhar case. So the AP urges the centre to stop the IT's new project on the Godavari. The 8 lakh genetic testing can access the heart disease risk, and the capital spikes the bus will not allow in the Congrats for to won't join the BJP. The Tirumala crops, the Tirumala police bus the Darshan ticket black marketing racket. So they are not giving the tickets for the Darshan purpose. So the YSR aims to retain the Bajwell seat with a bigger win majority. The voting at the Bengal's Bhabanipur, it's a place in the Bengal, peaceful with the 53% of the turnouts, and 69% of the adult population got at least one dose, and 25% both says government. So the 61% most of the adults are got the vaccination, they are saying. And every district should have a medical college or the PG institution, PM says, the Prime Minister is saying, the Narendra Modi. So the global supply chains are falling out of fashion fast. The outputs of the 8 core sectors up 11.6% in August. So in August it is 11.6%, and so this is the top 15 news. So I want to read this small para of this 11.6% of the core is core in the sector of 8 in the August is getting fall down. But what's the reason? Let me see. The New Delhi. The outputs of the 8 core sectors grow by the 11.6% in August. In August, it had grown for the 11.6%, and mainly due to an uptick in the provocation. So in the provocation of the cement, the coal, the natural gas, and the official data shown on Thursday. So we have read very nice topic. It's about the stopping of overusing of the coal, petrol. Nowadays the petrol is going to reach the high levels. So they are saying that it's about the natural gas and the petrol. So this is the small article what I have read. So I hope you all enjoyed today's English club video. So thank you for watching me. I hope you had a great day. Thank you for watching.